More volume, more power, and increased ground clearance. You can get it all with the MRT Trail Rated axle back. Check it out. Here we have the MRT Trail Rated axle back fitting your 2021 Plus Bronco with either the 2.3 liter EcoBoost or the 2.7 liter EcoBoost. This is a T304 stainless steel built piece, as well as mandrel bends, all made in the USA. It has 2.5-inch piping all the way to the turn down tip at the end. Why would you want a turn down tip? Obviously to increase your ground clearance as well as the departure angle. That factory exhaust does hang a little bit lower. If you're looking to tuck it up in there and get the not only increased sound and volume out of your exhaust, but also more ability off-road, then this is the way to go with the MRT system. MRT does include a straight through muffler with this kit, so it will take the edge off in terms of volume, but you won't be sacrificing much in terms of performance. This is an axle back system, so it just goes in place of your factory axle back. Unbolt the clamp, pull out the exhaust, put this in its place. It is a super easy installation, so we're going to show you how to do it right now. But first, we need to do the factory dyno pulls. We ran the pull in 5th gear with 93 octane in the tank. We weren't able to get a solid RPM reading off the 2.3 liter Bronco, so what we're doing is using the roller speed for mile an hour. That means we won't be able to get torque, but we will be able to see the horsepower increases. And the factory pull came out to 237.91 horsepower. Here are the tools required for installation. You can perform the installation just laying on the ground at home, but we lifted it up to get better access for video. Grab some soapy water and spray it in the isolator for each hanger, both the driver and passenger side. Grab a 15mm deep socket and loosen the clamp. Grab a pry bar and begin to pry the muffler out of the hanger, driver's side first. Then do the same thing for the passenger side. Now you're ready to carefully slide the muffler out of the factory exhaust and set it aside. Grab your MRT Trail Rated exhaust, and now you're ready to put your tip on. Don't necessarily need to tighten it down, just make sure it's in place. Slide the inlet side into your factory exhaust and the turn down tip with the hanger in your factory isolator. Once you have it aligned correctly, you can tighten down your factory clamp and do the same thing with your MRT clamp. And now that you're not using it anymore, you can remove the factory driver side hanger. And your installation's complete. Now it's time for some after dyno pulls. Installation of the MRT Trail Rated axle back really honestly could not get any easier on these Broncos. If you're looking for increased ground clearance and an increased departure angle, this is the way to go. all while getting that increased sound as well as a couple extra horsepower too. This axleback does come in two different forms. You can get the turn down tip that tucks up under the bumper for maximum ground clearance, as well as a single tip if you want to go for that look as well. Hit us up right here at Steeda.com for all of your Bronco part and accessory needs. Comment below and let us know what you think on how this sounds on the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost Bronco. Let us know if you want to see any other cool Bronco content here on the Steeda YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.